Hello. It's your boy Big Botis in the building. Yes, it's Big Botis, the only fashion police for 237. Agreement. Big Botis International. Soldiers, I say cafe for na agree to na all. Yes, today we don't come again for this combo. We can't do it. Can analyze. We don't catch one police for outside, one soldier for outside. We say we'll bring inside house. We try to talk about it. What do we want to talk about it? We want to talk about it because it don't come out one of the best people the way we think so. If we talk about them for this our house, yeah, wait to make our classify one of the best because say as he say now ye don't be like a ambassador for this spring way we did with an so for this springtime. Now he don't be like the ambassador. Yes, my people. Before one start, I go still live for remind you seriously. People there they never subscribed yet. I be beg. Just click the subscribe button and don't forget to click your notification bell. Yeah, for people the way my old subscriber they are saying Jika. I say thank you so much. Yes, my people them the fashion policy says the year. Who will get that for house today? Will get the spring boy. Yeah, I call it a spring boy because he outfit them on that just for definition for spring outfits. Spring wear. Yes, my people. This boy, wait me his name. His name na Munjong D4. He was if day he go for Bamenda and he be based now for Germany. Yes, I just pass as I work on Facebook. I picky. I see how I think say it just makes sense, especially for this springtime. I say more I can show my police them who see how we analyze this guy he dressing. Yes, make we see and find. This boy do it. See. After I don't look his profile, I go left, I go right, I look him, I go up, I count down, I look him, I say no. Mad, who did complain? Who did create for complain? I said, man, I can't talk about see. I know how it my people just look Jean as he stand for his skin. Just look as he stand. For this time now, so to bring it for you because we would bring anybody now with a reason. Yes, this period now so now springtime. Wait till be springtime. Springtime at that time we sun dey shine, small cold day. But the cold that bad cold for Europe, it don't pass. That bad cold don't pass. Yes, we dey enter na spring now with a light cold with the small sun. That's what they do now. So you know the time get ready join 18 father on rapper like jacket. You cover your skin. They know you do an answer for you enter some play you die hit. So I work and I look am. That I see a picture then I say no this boy this so he bring out something way we need for Trasha, we need for judge the case. So that he make I bring it for you. Yes, I bring it for you and I say we'll talk about it. My people, before we want to talk about it, we don't decide a picture that the pass. So that we see a picture that I go meet up and say, bro, what's like what the kind I say, wait. My brother tell me say my brother, as you see, and I say they name that magic in our money. Now you say when you get the idea, and that's true. When you get the idea, I already told you to say for dress fine, no be money, where the idea day a day. You know how it the nyama so you pick as well, let's say plant, pick as put after all the common fine. It go. If we look at fine, almost all the picture don't pass. Yes, if we look at fine, we'll see as we say it circulate now only for some 1 or 2, 3, 4 dresses. Yes, now they will circulate. You know, if I go far away, but waiting, it look presentable for all the dressing, especially for the time. So the time you need to carry jacket for your skin. No, pick 1 or 2 your hem of your skin. Now go you go. If we look at fine, that's what you do. It pick 1 or 2 hem of your skin. Now go you go. Yes. Now go in the go. My people are saying, see now, say no, brother, can't tell me. Then you must get some inspiration for this thing. How you did? How you want tell me? He tell me, say, my brother, for dressing this one I hate. First thing that's waiting, know your base color. Know your base color. If you want to look at fine, you will see I say a base color circulate between white, black, ash. Yes. A base color circulate between look the ash color where now. Just look at tell me how it dey clean. No be that thing for Georgia. See ash jacket clean. No be that thing where we need for talk am. It come off for the fine. If you want to talk, say more look na shirt and trousers or petticoat or face cap. Now that face cap come my attention because of people that you always think say when wear shirt and trousers for wear face cap, you know that way. But no, it depends the kind of face cap you wear. I mean, no go off market. Me buy with your base, one of your base color them. So he put that so he go. So wait it, I tell you against but this thing they so base color, you know still make sense now. You still come out some way, you there's some way. He tell me say my brother, first thing for man picking for dressing that waiting, know your skin tone, know your texture for your skin. Know your tone for your skin. When you don't know your tone for your skin, now I be blast ask you the other day say you feel black, you carry some kind gold clothes on a waiting clothes on a brown the quarter one though. You put up your skin. Now a person that we don't know his skin color, you don't know his skin color, you don't know what he wearing. We don't know your skin color, you know so we put it for day, they bring out the color for day. That's that way they do. That's that way you know his skin color. Now why that way they bring it out? So wait till the chat for tough here. Man picking there, even woman they when their boyfriend say, I don't mean see for them. You tell me I need to see no nothing. Then I say no, beg out inside wardrobe. He get them, he did it. Now you say we no know all we even me for here. We no know how to mix them. See the clothes so I like this dressing die. Yes, and I go wear them. Fashion police go wear them. We they always for here for lane. I like the dressing die. I go wear them. You understand? So you know the point I say know the basics. The basics now waiting. You don't tell me skin tone. Secondly, your base, your color base. We don't know the color base. Now if you think that any other nyaman kunu now you add that on top now, it go na go. You understand? But get the base. I we don't put your black and black or put your white inside. If you take that pink na Emma on top, you know over to call that attention. Yes, even though man picking over five will pick bet, would you just give a like example? Yes. So we don't know the base, you feel go, you are good to go. No take oxblood trouser, you wear out a lemon green up. That one means you no get base. You don't get base. So define your base. Now the first thing that define your base, when it comes to trouser, define your base. We don't define it so you go know it's a day. You want to say one command or church that it come on clean, simple. Now go in the go. Then I want to go further. I say, brother, when he tell me say my brother, see way me I need to joke with that my shoe. My shoe know the dirty. I make we look at his shoe know the dirty. We need the tongue that say more talk. If we look at you, you need the dirty. You know get it dirty for shoe. And now the thing that way they play together, don't can talk say, my bro, do you think this or no? If I boy the stand on my phone and talk for me, if I just see his shoe this way that you just push a boy one side. And not true, we don't get that for you. No, you see, when boy is shoe clean, it look responsible. Get them they start that for they feel look near shoe first. And not true, they look near shoe. So my people, that yeah, tell them say make we dey learn every day, both boys and girls. Make we dey learn, more they know where to the way. So for my people, they move try for the boy. Thank you, tell it. Thank you for educating we. We also pray say. As you want the dress mode, they won't come back for this video. Can you look and we know how they mash up because it's in this will get that for box. And I say now we don't know how to mash up. With that, I would like to thank and I appreciate everybody really like the video, share the video, put your comment for there. I beg me talk about the dressing. Put your comment for there. We'll see how it go. For now, I go like for leave for now, and I go still remind people there never subscribe. Say make you subscribe, you like the video. For now, I go leave for now. I say bye.